even know what apology language you would use after you tell your significant other that he's eh. They were getting ready for playtime. They were a little bit drunk. Girl was actually just a little bit high. Guy was drunk, and guy was like, "Hey, check out my package. What do you think?" Not that she hadn't seen it before they're married, and she was like, "It's okay." And he was all upset, and r- rightfully so. He was upset, and he was just kind of down and kind of depressed for a couple of days. And the girl was like, I don't know what to do. I didn't mean it that way. It was a poor choice of words. I didn't mean to say it like that. And so she was like, how do I get him to break out of this like depression that he's now in because I said something stupid. And one of the responses was, what's his apology language? Because I'd never heard of an apology language before. So I'm going to tell you what they are. There's 5 of them, real quick. There's expressing regret, which is just basically saying, I'm sorry. And then kind of acknowledging that you hurt someone's feelings and being like, look, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way, whatever, right? Okay, then you have accepting responsibility, which is like, hey, I know I messed up. I know I did this wrong. And kind of being like, look, I'm not gonna make that happen again. Like I won't make that mistake again, right? Then you have making restitution, which is like, hey, what can I do to make it up for you? Like make it up to you. You have genuinely repenting, which involves the promise to change and avoid repeating the mistake. And then you have requesting forgiveness, which is literally like asking, like, can we move on from this? Like, I'm really sorry. Do you forgive me? Like, can we move on? And they were like, you got to figure out what his apology language is. And I'm just going through this list and trying to figure out, like, I don't even know what apology language you would use after you tell your significant other that he's eh, eh. I mean, it's how do you? What can you say or
I
do to make
yeah,
that?
I got nothing on that. I have no idea what the answer to that. The apology language with that. I don't know. I'm
Eh.